Nowuok oko mar hingo odiochieng mar mine piny mangima. Wendi Chepto ma jatend riwruog rowere ma Bureti Initiative CBO wacho ni tiyo kod odiochiengni e kuonde thieth ka ipimo mine tuoche mopogore opogore mondo mi ging'e chal margi. Moko kuom jogo manyo yore nyasi ni gin jalup komishona ma Bureti Martha Matinde kod jatend migawo mar lony chwech kod tuke Beatrice Kaptich. Kama ne jalup komishona wacho ni odhi makore kod ruodhi kod obila mano ni joma mine ok okalo chandruoge mag goch kod chuogi ka nyasi ni ne otimore e skul ma St. Kizito's Litein.
Hapo ndipo tunaelekea sasa. Keep Chim Enterprise ama keep OG photography. Wako wapi?
Let us support women, let us empower women, because we know women are the people that are very important in our society. So let us empower them. Today we are having so many activities, including the medical camp.
We are all aware that when it comes to cancer, we know that the main challenge that we have is late diagnosis. And for late diagnosis, it will come with its implications, mental, financial, and it even causes family strains. So it's one of the things that we are looking at, cervical cancer screening. And we are hoping that with the Kericho County government, with the involved departments, the health sectors, the social sectors, will be able to do this annually.
The theme of today is rights, justice, and action for all women and girls, and we are emphasizing that today. So mainly our discussion surrounds about today gender equality and women empowerment, and by this we mean we need to have empowered women, build stronger families.